Yo, today we're going to be looking at changing your white background to look perfectly white. Dexter Hassan here. As I told you, today we're looking at changing the background to look purely white. I took this shot 2 days back for my client. Wanted to take products of her baby shop, and she wants to use these pictures for social media to advertise the items. I forgot to record the behind the scenes, but in the future we shall be doing the behind the scenes of product photo shoots. Right now let's start up with going to Photoshop and open up a new project. As you can see, open up. We're going to be doing this for today. Picture is already here. What we shall do here, we shall come here and then you press Control J or Command J on a Mac. I'm using a Mac laptop right now. Create a new layer. After creating a new layer, you come to image adjustments, slope down to replace color. So when you reach replace color, you select this plus button, add color plus button here. Then here you can see this will be totally white. Then you come here to lightness, and then you pull it up to 100%. You can see the changes. It goes up to 100%. And press OK. Now you can see the background is totally white right now. When you zoom in, you can see the background. That's before, and this is after. Before and after. But you will notice that we've lost details here. We've lost some details here. They have totally gone to white because I think they were next to white, but it wasn't totally white here. These round spots in the bags. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a layer mask. Then you come, pick a brush, then you pick the black color. Then you come and paint over this layer. Paint the layer. Totally take it back to its original. We still have our shadow here, which is very nice. It makes it still look realistic. That's nice. Come here. We had painted over here, and then we had killed the white we wanted. So you press brush and then change this color back to white to redo the painting. Perfect. It's coming out perfect. As you can see, we're still having our details for the bag. But the background has totally changed to white. We still have a spot here. We shot it when it was off the background, so we are going to replace this. You merge the layers. That will be Command E. You pick your patch tool to come and cover this up. Pick and cover. Nice. Pick and cover. Pick and cover. Pick. Cover. As you can see, we're perfectly getting our picture. Our background is now perfectly white. This is the before. This is the after. Next time I think I'll be showing you how exactly we do the shootings for the product photos on a white background, and I'll do 2 videos for that. I'll do one when you're using your smartphone for those who are amateur photographers, you just want to do it for your store, and then for professionals when you're doing it in the studio. And this is our pictures. So far we have achieved what we want. Command S to save. I normally save when quality is 12 maximum. Okay, Yeah, thank you for watching this video. I've been Dexter Hassan. If the video was very useful to you, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the previous videos and videos that are going to come up on my channel. Thank you.